Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART Enquiry for industrial supplies and machinery business. So suppose here I'm running a business of industrial supplies and machinery business and I'm receiving a lot of inquiries for my business through IndiaMART. Now here, for converting my inquiries into a potential customer, what I need to do is I need to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my inquiries. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AI Sensei, and here for my objective, I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then automatically I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp to my inquiry. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART Enquiry for industrial supplies and machinery business. And we are going to do all this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So suppose here I run a business that supplies industrial machinery and equipment and receive inquiries through IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is a B2B marketplace, and the inquiries often require a quick response to provide details about the machinery, pricing or other product specification. But manually responding to each inquiry can slow down my response time and potentially lead to lost leads. But here, by using Pabbly Connect, I can automate the process of sending a personalized WhatsApp message to each potential buyer as soon as they make an inquiry on IndiaMART. So this automated WhatsApp message can contain product details, pricing information or links to a catalog, and this will ensure that my leads can promptly engage. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AI Sensei. And now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect IndiaMART with AI Sensei in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry through IndiaMART for my industrial supplies and machinery business, then automatically an automated message will be sent on WhatsApp to that particular inquiry. So here I'm going to connect IndiaMART with AI Sensei, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei without any coding and programming skills. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART Enquiry for industrial supply and machinery business. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of IndiaMART. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to click on Create. And here this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here in this window, we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up my trigger. Now here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application. And here I'm going to use IndiaMART as my trigger application. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select IndiaMART here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new leads will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, what I need to do is I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I have to take you back to my IndiaMART account, and here for connecting IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect for sending all the detail of the new inquiries to Pabbly Connect, I need to go to Lead Manager. And here in Lead Manager, I need to first click on this menu button. And here I need to use import/export leads. And I need to open Push API. So I'm going to open that. And now by using Push API integration, I'm going to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. And with this integration, what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry in IndiaMART for my business, then automatically the detail of that inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here for creating this API integration, what I need to do is I need to first select my source. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my source is not present. So I'm going to select other here. And now here I need to fill all these details. So here as I want to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to give my platform name as Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to type that here. And now I have to give my webhook listener URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have to click on Save Details. And here what I want to do is I want to first select my option why I want to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. And for that, I'm going to open this tab. And here I have all these reasons and option. I can select any random option here. And now what I need to do is I need to click on this click to generate OTP button. And after this, I have to fill the OTP that I'm going to receive on my mobile number. And after filling that OTP, it will automatically connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that. Now here we can see that I've successfully added my webhook and I've connected IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry in IndiaMART for my industrial supplies and machinery business, then automatically that inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. So here we can see that it is waiting for webhook response, and how I'm going to get this webhook response. For that, I need to first create a new inquiry in IndiaMART for my business. And as I'm going to create that inquiry, then automatically that inquiry will be sent as a response to Pabbly Connect. Right now in my IndiaMART account, I don't have any listed product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test inquiry. And in the test inquiry, I'm going to receive a test product that is going to be a random product, or it is not going to be related to my business. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test inquiry in IndiaMART. And as I'm going to generate that test inquiry, then automatically that test data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here for getting this response, what I need to do is I need to go back to IndiaMART. And here for sending the test data, I need to click on this test your webhook listener URL button. So I'm going to do that. Now here in this window, we can see I have this option of test. And as I'm going to click on this test button, then automatically the data of the test inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. And here I have added the webhook URL of Pabbly Connect. Now here this is going to be my test data that I'm going to send to Pabbly Connect. So this is the test data. Now I'm going to click on test. And here we can see I've successfully sent the test data to Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the random detail of an inquiry that I have received through IndiaMART, and this is a test inquiry detail. So here I have the status that is success. I have this unique query ID, and I have the subject that is for requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here I have received this inquiry for this particular product, which is a random product that I have received as a test inquiry from IndiaMART. Also here I have the sender state that is Uttar Pradesh, I have the random pin code, I have the random alternate phone number, this is the random phone number, and I have the sender name that is Prabhat. Also here I have the random mobile number of my sender, and here I have received all these other details of my sender too. So here I have the random email address of my sender, and here I have the company name that is ABC Private Limited, and I have the address of my sender that is Sector 135 Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This is the city that is Noida. And I have all the detail of my inquiry that I have received as a test inquiry from IndiaMART. So here these are all the detail of my inquiry, and here I have the product name that is mineral water bottle, and I have the query message. So this is the message, or this is the inquiry message that I have received through the test inquiry. And here this is the message that says, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me the price and other details. And the quantity that I need is 1 lakh pieces. Probable order value is going to be around 10 lakhs to 20 lakh rupees. Also, probable requirement type is business use. So here I have received this message for my inquiry, and I have received this inquiry for this particular product. Now, as I have received this inquiry from IndiaMART, now what I need to do is I need to automatically send an automated WhatsApp message to my inquiry. And for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AI Sensei. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate IndiaMART with AI Sensei, and I'm going to set up my actions tab. So for that, I need to open this tab. and here I need to search for my action application. So I'm going to search for AI Sensei here, and I'm going to select WhatsApp by AI Sensei here. Now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect WhatsApp by AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now for connecting AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a API key. So how I'm going to get this API key? For that, I need to first log into my AI Sensei account, and in AI Sensei, I need to navigate to manage section where I will find my API key. So for getting this API key, I need to take you to my AI Sensei account, and now in AI Sensei, I need to go to manage, and here in manage, we can see I have this option of API key. So I'm going to open that. And here this is my API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first regenerate this API key. I'm going to click on confirm. And here it has generated this API key. So I'm going to copy this API key, and I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that API key here in this tab of API key. Now I have successfully added my API key. So I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending a WhatsApp message to my inquiry, what I need to do is I need to fill all these details. So here first I need to create a new campaign in AI Sensei where I need to add my template that I want to use for sending the message on WhatsApp. And here this campaign should be live. So for creating a live campaign, what I need to do is I need to again take you back to AI Sensei. And now for creating a new campaign, what I need to do is I need to first create a new template of message that I want to use in my campaign, and I want to send as a message on WhatsApp to my inquiry. So for this, let me first take you to template message, and here in template message, I will go to all, and here we can see I have all these templates that I have created in my AI Sensei account. And for creating a new template, you need to click on this new button, and you need to follow all the instruction. And after following that instruction, you need to first customize your message that you want to use as your automated WhatsApp message, and you want to send to all your inquiries. So after customizing your message, you need to take the approval of your template by AI Sensei, and you will see all your templates like this. So here in AI Sensei, I have this particular template of IndiaMART messages. So I'm going to use this template. So I'm going to open this template, and here in this template, I have this message for my inquiry, and I'm going to use this template message. So I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to create a new campaign. So I'm going to go to campaigns. And here for creating a new campaign, I need to first click on this launch button, and I'm going to use this API campaign option. So I'm going to click on next here. And now I need to first give a campaign name. So here my campaign name will be IndiaMART 10. So this is a random campaign name that I have used for creating a live campaign in AI Sensei. And now I'm going to select my template. So I'm going to click here, and here I'm going to search for my template of IndiaMART. So I'm going to search for that. And here this is my template of IndiaMART message template. So I'm going to use this. And now here in this campaign, we can see this was my template message that I want to use for sending the automated message to my inquiries. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this campaign live. So I'm going to click on set live button. And now I'm going to go to my campaign. And here I've created this live campaign. So first I'm going to copy the name of my campaign. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that name. And now I have added my campaign name. Now what I need to do is I need to give my mobile number of my inquiry or the sender who has sent the inquiry on IndiaMART, and I'm going to use that mobile number from my previous tab of IndiaMART, and by using that mobile number I can send a WhatsApp message automatically to my IndiaMART inquiry. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the WhatsApp number of my inquiry, and I'm going to use my previous tab, and here for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of IndiaMART, and here this is my sender mobile number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to map this, and now I have mapped the mobile number of my lead. But here in the mobile number, we can see I have received this dash between the country code and the mobile number. But the required format of my mobile number does not require this dash between the country code and the mobile number. So here what I need to do is I need to remove this dash from this mobile number, and I need to split that so that I can use the mobile number as my WhatsApp number for sending the automated WhatsApp message. So here for splitting this dash from the mobile number and the country code, what I need to do is I need to add one more action step here. And here I'm going to use a tool that Pabbly Connect offers, that is going to be text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select text formatter by Pabbly here. Now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab and split text will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect text formatter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect and now I have to give my text to split. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of IndiaMART and I'm going to map the mobile number of my sender or my inquiry. And now I have to give a separator. So here in the separator, I'm going to use this dash and I'm going to give that dash as a separator. Now I have added the separator. Now what I need to do is I need to give my segment index. So here I want both the mobile number and the country code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my segment index as all and I'm going to click on save and send test to kill button. And here we can see I have received this mobile number and I have received the country code in the splitted way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this tab of AI Sensei and I'm going to first clear this mobile number from this tab. And now I'm going to map the mobile number of my sender from my response of text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to open this response of text formatter and first I have the country code, so I'm going to map that and now I'm going to map the mobile number. Now here we can see I have received my mobile number in the required format and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the username of my sender. Now here in the username, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the name of my sender. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of IndiaMART and here this is a sender name. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to scroll down and I need to give my template parameter. So in my message template, what I have is I only have one parameter or one variable that is of name. And in the place of that variable, what I need to do is I need to map the name of my sender. So here with this template parameter, what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry from my IndiaMART account, then automatically the name of that sender will get replaced and I will automatically send different messages to different inquiries on WhatsApp. So here for the template parameter, what I can do is I can click here. I will open the response of IndiaMART and I'm going to map the name of my sender here. So I'm going to map that. But if you have more than one variable in your template, then what you can do is you can just give a comma here and you can give multiple parameter values here in this tab. But I only have one parameter, so I'm going to clear this comma and I have mapped the required detail here. Now I have all these other tabs too, but these are the details for the attachment that I can send on WhatsApp. But I don't want to fill these details, these are not the required details. But if you want to send any attachment with your message on WhatsApp too, then you can fill these details too. Now here I have mapped all the required details and as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of an inquiry through IndiaMART, then all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry detail, then automatically the message will be sent on WhatsApp to the new inquiry by using AI Sensei. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on save and send test to kill button. So I'm going to do that. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have automatically sent a message on WhatsApp to my IndiaMART inquiry. So to check whether I have sent the message or not, let me take you to WhatsApp. Now here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this message. And here this is my message that says, thank you for your inquiry. Hello Prabhat. So this was the name of my sender. Thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and will get back to you shortly with more information. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Thank you. Best regards. So this was my template message that I had in AI Sensei and I have added that template in my campaign that I have used for sending the message to my inquiry that I have received through IndiaMART. So here we can see that automatically by using AI Sensei, I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to my inquiry that I have received through IndiaMART for my industrial supplies and machinery business. So here we can see I have successfully created this automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei, and now what I can do is that automatically as I'm going to receive a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then it will send an automated message on WhatsApp by using AI Sensei to all the inquiries. So here every time I'm going to send an automated message on WhatsApp to the inquiries that I'm going to receive through IndiaMART for my business of
industrial supplies and machinery. And now I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected IndiaMART and AI Sensei to automatically send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART Enquiry for industrial supplies and machinery business. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was IndiaMART and my trigger event was new leads. Then I have set up my actions tab, and first I have used text formatter by Pabbly to get the correct format of my mobile number that I can use as a WhatsApp number. And in the last, in my action application, I have used WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and here I have used send template message as my action event. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.